Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the class. I hope you have been enjoying the class so far. If you have any question, you can always make it known, and myself and my team will be able to attend to every of your questions. In today's class, I'm excited to put you through on this class because in this class, I will be showing you how to make use of your logo to turn it to 3D in Blender. For those of you that want to work, maybe you can have some clients that say, okay, I want to turn this logo into 3D logo, so you can always collect that job and you have your pay. So first of all, there are some certain things you will need to download to your system. So go to your browser and minimize this. Go to your browser, go to your browser, Chrome. Okay, so I've already opened it down. I have Inkscape. You just have to type Inkscape, then you have to download the current. So download the current one. It's not heavy. Yes, it's not heavy, and it is free. It doesn't need a crack or whatever thing. So that for that. So when that is done, then open your Blender. The what do we call it? Let me delete this. And this is the interface. After installing it and you open it, this is what is going to take you to. So so to the logo that you have, maybe you screenshot it or you use a picture, you can always bring it down here so that if it is in a low resolution, if the resolution is not that high, bring it down here to really work on it. So what I will do is, let me import what I want to work on so that I can show you. Okay, I have this that I want to work on. This, okay, just import it. I press Ctrl I. Yeah, for those that doesn't know, it's Ctrl I. So to import, so minimize it, you have to bring it down to this frame here. So make sure that it's, yes, you can see. All right, I have this logo, Kadosh Farms Enterprise. So after then what you have to do is turn it to bitmap. So come to path and trace bitmap. So when you have done that, you are going to come down here. So if it is a multicolor, though I want to just make it a single color, that's why I will not be talking about multicolor. So excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, so if it is a multicolor, so you can click on here for multicolor, and if it is a single color that you want, you can come here, and then you can see here, please watch this. You can see that it has fade here, so make sure that it is not fading. So you can see it's coming out. Then I have this. I think I will work on this. It's because I have invert the image already. So if you don't want to invert it, but I would love to be inverted, so that this logo here will be a black. Yeah, it will become a black. So when you have done that, just scroll down there, you see your apply here, then apply it. So it's already there. So this one, you have to delete it. Let me delete this. So I have my logo here. You can see, super simple. So what you're going to do is, because we are taking it to Blender file, so there's what Blender can also always work on as a mesh. So now I click on my file here, come to my export, then down here make it Inkscape SVG, then down here where you want to save your file to, then after naming it, then you come down here. Don't make sure that you change this PNG to Inkscape, then press your save. So after then you are good to go. So now you open your Blender, go to your Blender here, so you can delete the cube so that we can see what we want to work on. Then press your F4 to import, then come to scalable vector graphic SVG. So where you save your file. I save it in PNG, Kadosh here. So then import it. It's already here. So if you are not really seeing it, you can come down here and click here. But if it has a lot of mesh, first of all delete all these so that you can press all to select all at the same time, because if you did not select all, you're only selecting one part of it. But because this one is a single mesh, so I can select it from there, then scale it up. So I can still scale it up. Yeah, I have this. Now you can see to move it down to this our original position here, you can come down here, set origin, then come to origin, origin to geometry, then press your Alt G, then it will come to the center. Then I want to rotate it so that it can be up. Rotate in x-axis 90, so excuse me, 90, so it will be standing. Then GZ to move it up. Yes, so I have this. Now you can see I have this beautiful logo here, Kadosh Farm, but I don't like this. So what I will do is just I want it not to be black again. Then I come down to this my material properties here, then come here. You can see that it's SVG material that is there. Then delete it. Yeah, so that I can have this. So I can have this. Then come down to this place, because I want to make it, because it's still what we call it 2D, it's not 3D yet, so I want to make it a 3D. So come down here, then go to geometry. So scroll down, you see this extrude here. Now when you have to extrude, please hold down your shift, unless it's sensitive, so you may not really get it like that. So just hold down your shift. Let me undo that. So hold down your shift so that you can gradually move it. Excuse me. Hold down your shift so that you can gradually move it. I want it in let me say static 0.1. let me use 0.1. excuse me. Also on this. Okay, I think I should be good with 0.1. let me see. All right, so I have this. Now in this aspect, there are a lot of things you can do with it. Now you can make it glow, you can make it shiny, you can make it depends on what you want. It depends on what you wish for yourself. Do you understand me now? So but in this class I will only show you one way. In the subsequent class, in the mentorship class, then we can talk in details. We can talk more in details about it, but in this class I'll just stick to one. So you can put on your data, because there's something we want to really work on. Okay, so just go to your browser, then come down here for polygon. You can type polygon, that's POLIIGON. So it's going to take you, after signing up, you have to sign up before, because I have an account with them, so you have to sign up, then it will bring you down here. So and you have a lot of things. Why are we here? Because we need a texture to download so that we can use for the background of that that particular logo. So we have texture here. So if you want to pay, there are some free that are free here. So but if you want to pay, you can pay. So I have here, so let me come down to free here. So after it has load, so you have to click on whichever one you want. Can click on this as a woody one. Can click. So let me look for something. Okay, I think let me see this golden paint. Let me see. It's 2K. The resolution is 2K. It's already downloading, you can see here. Yeah, what it pop up the other time is that it wants me to add the add-on into my Blender. So I will still show you something. I don't need, for myself, I don't need to come down here. If not for this tutorial, I already installed the add-ons into my own Blender. So if I just need it, I just go there to install. Let me see this texture. I think I love this also. Yeah, it's 2K. You can see it's also 2K. Download. It's super fast, and it doesn't take much space. Okay, I think we are good with that too. Let me look for something else. Let me look. Excuse me, sorry, I just have to, let me go down here. Let me go to wood, only wood. Yes, let me see the wood, the materials. Yeah, I think I have a lot of woods here. Okay, let me see. Though some are not free, this one is, I don't think this one is free, so to download it you may not have access to download it. So because we are looking for a free version for the sake of this class, so let's try to look for a free version. Okay, I think I saw a free here. These two are free. Not many are free, you know. So I think we are okay with that, just for introductions to the class. So what you are going to do now, let me put off my data. All right, before I put that off, yeah, I said I have installed my into my own Blender. So if I press my N, you can see polygon here. So it's already here. So instead of me going there, I have it here already. So I can download all these if I wish. Anyone I would just want to use for a quick stuff. So I can choose either free or paid one, you know. So that's that. For that's what's in the what do we call it, in the mentorship class. I'm going to teach you on how to install that into your Blender. So what we are going to do now is bring your mesh, shift A, plane. Let me use plane. We are using plane. Scale it up, rotate x-axis 90, then push it up a little, then I think okay, let me move it back a little. Y-axis, I'm gonna come down to my, now I need to change this. I need to change my view here, which is my render view, to what do we call it, is in Eevee. Let me change it to circle so that I can really see what I'm really working on very well. Now it's in that circle. Then let me come to my render preview so I can see it much more. You can see, yeah, it's calculating all those things because circles is much more heavy. I think I'm good. I just want a little space from this what do we call it, the wall, and this. I think the space is okay for me. Now what we are going to do now is haven't clicked this, so the next thing is let me go and open that file that I've just downloaded. Let me delete, excuse me, let me close my data. Yeah, so downloads. So let me open, I think which one should I use? Let me see this. This is the file here. So I have the file already. So you just have to extract. Okay, you can extract them. So what I'm going to do is let me split my my screen. To split is just come down to this side here, and when it has become an arrow like this, then you right click, then it will ask you split. So split vertical, so it will give you this. Let me just split like this. So I can also adjust it, move it around like that. So now turn this side to to shader editor. So now click here, then create new. So we have this, but because we are not really working much, so this will not really be good for us to really work on it. So we are going to turn this principal BSD to something else now, just to make it more smaller. So here we want to turn this to something else. So let's come down to here, our principal here. Let's go to diffuse. I'm looking for, okay, diffuse here. So you can see it has become more smaller. So that is what's, because we are not really working much on it, so you just have to make it a little bit smaller. So before we start adding our texture, let's come down to edit here, preferences, and we want to install your add-on. That's so we are installing our node, node wrangler. So make sure that it is checked here. If it is not checked, then you're going to have an issue adding things, texture and stuff like that. So when you have checked it, then you come down here, then you save preferences. So that's that for that. So here now let me make this one a little bit smaller. Now what you're going to do is just press Ctrl T. So it's going to bring something. Then here we are. So come down here, open. So when you save that file, not here, so excuse me, I think it's here. So I have this, so I'm going for base color. Yes, base color. So go for base color. So that's what I'm using for. So you can see sorry, this is not what I want to use for this, for the background. I want to change it. Let me change it. Let me change it to, excuse me, I'll go to add-ons. Okay, easier. base color. Let me see, open. Yeah. So I can readjust the scale here. Yes, I can readjust the scale, but let me still leave that scale there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the color, the background color. I don't think I really love this background color here, so I'm going to readjust it and have another different. Or let me check if this is the right one I'm looking for. So it's not that the other one I wanted to install to put in, so let me use this. So I have this as the background. So what I will do now is that because I want to add something so that I don't think I need to adjust the color. I think I'm good with that. It's not giving me the exact texture that I really want. So this is how just to import your texture. But I'm going to delete this. Okay, let me just leave it that way for the sake of the class. I wanted to go and use my my add-on that has been installed, but for the sake of this class, so let me continue. So now after then, if you want to change, maybe you want to adjust the color, so let me quickly show you that. If you want to adjust the color, let me quickly show you that. So to do that is just press your Shift A, then color, let's go to color, RG curves here, this. So you are placing it in the middle of this place. Yeah, so it's going to come like this and bounce to this side. So that's if you don't really like the color, then you can just make an adjustment. If it is blue, you want to, because this one is already black, assuming it's different color, then you can just adjust the color. Go to red, this is for red, but this is plain black, so it will not really work on it. So let me delete that X, then join this back. So that's that for that. So now let me work on this. There are different aspects you can really do on this. It depends on whatever things you want. You can just give it a color from here. You can see it has added this here. Can just put it on diverse, yes, just to have this, and can always come down to this color here. Can change it to blue. Yes, you can change it to blue, but here I want to do something super here. Yeah, I want to do something super. You can also add, what do we call it, just like the way we added the stuff the other time. Just press your let me go back to my principal BS here. So excuse me, diffuse. I can just Control T here. So I'll be deleting one. Let me delete this. Let me see how it's connected. Okay, I'm going to delete this, delete this, delete this. Yes, X. So I have just only this. So I can just add my add-on. Where's my add-on? 2K. So base color, then add it. So you can see it has given it what we call that golden stuff. Yeah, it has given it a golden So before I move further, let me bring lights up. Let me use area lights, then move up G, then scale up. So now to straighten it, just right click to adjust the lights. Can see wow. this is nice. So what I can also do, just take it backward. Can see, wow. So I have this fantastic logo mockup. So here you can do a lot of things to it. You can animate it. You can just do a lot of things, just a creative things. Though I will not be talking about that in this class. I'll be talking about that in the what do we call it, in the mentorship class. You can design it in a way that when they see it, it's will, in fact, people will say, wow, what is this? So another thing I can do, if I don't want to add color to it, let me click here. Let me save this first. So to save this, let me just bring my camera how I want my camera to I can just like can just do this. Okay, so Control Alt Numpad 0. So how to do the glowing? You just have to come down to this place, then come down here, go to your emission. So when you have clicked on your emission, then you have to come and adjust the strength here. Then after adjusting, come to your word, make sure that your word strength is 000. Then delete all the light that you have. Then you have something like this. So if you snap your, let me close this area back. Now to close this back, you have just to make sure that it is the arrow is clicked, is on the arrow, then right click again, then it's going to tell you join area. So which area are you joining? If you click here, then this thing is coming to join here, then you will not see this again. So we want to join this place, this particular one, down to this place. So this is where we are going to click, then you left click, so it's going to join. You can see that it's glowing. So then let's bring our camera back to view. Oh, we've deleted our camera. Yes. So we can bring our camera back. Shift A, camera. So it's already there. Then we can press Control Alt. But before then, let's make sure that we are looking at our logo how we want it. So then Control Alt Numpad 0. So it's going to snap to the cursor, then to the view, then can click on the edges here, then can adjust its scale. You can see the scaling is not really affecting. So So what we can do is come down here, if it will work here. This one is for shifting. So sorry, excuse me, come down output, can adjust, then right click here, then adjust your focal length. What's happening? Right click, adjust your focal length. Making more far. So I have this, then G, then Z, X axis, just adjust it like this, then take it up, G, Z, up, still adjust. Okay, then scale this up, scale, yeah. So I have this. So when it is done, so this is the final rendering here. Then you come down here, then you go to your save as, whatever, is it PNG, you want to save it as PNG, but let me save it as JPEG. If you save it as PNG, does not mean that this background is going to be removed, but it's a little bit always heavier than this, just a little bit. Yeah, so let me click this. Now let me now render this. Let's see what it's going to give us. F12. Okay, so what we have here is glowing, can see. So this is one of those things you can always outdo. There's still a lot of things you can do with it when the subsequent classes, in the class of what do we call it, in our in your mentorship class. I'm going to take you through a lot of things you can always do with this kind of things. Just now, you can even use a head of a lion to do a lot of artistic work. Yes, you can just do that. So here comes to the final of today's class, and I would love to see you in the next class. Stay connected, ask questions, and I want you to always show up. Happy animation journey.